The peacock, scientifically known as Pavo cristatus, is a majestic bird renowned for its extravagant plumage. Native to South Asia, these avian wonders are celebrated for their striking iridescent feathers, which they use to display intricate courtship rituals. Remarkably, only males, known as peacocks, possess these vibrant plumage, while females, peahens, have more subdued attire. Peacocks are ground-dwelling birds, but are exceptional flyers, capable of short bursts of flight. They feed on grains, fruits, insects, and small reptiles. Besides their beauty, peacocks have cultural and religious significance in many societies, often symbolizing grace, beauty, and integrity.